First off, navigate your way to the GoHighLevel website. Easy enough, right? You'll be greeted by a friendly interface that guides you towards discovering how GoHighLevel can transform your business operations. But we're here with a mission to create an account. So on the homepage, look for the big inviting button that says 14-day free trial and give that a click. This is your golden ticket to beginning your journey with GoHighLevel. Once you've clicked on the free trial button, the site will usher you into the sign-up process. Here's where you'll start laying down the basics about yourself. The form you're presented with is straightforward. You'll enter your full name, making sure to spell it just how you like it to appear in professional settings. Double check for typos here. It's always nice to make a good first impression, even digitally. Next up, your email address. This is crucial because GoHighLevel will send essential account information, updates, and notifications to this address. Ensure it's one you check regularly to stay in the loop. Then your mobile number. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and enables GoHighLevel to reach you directly if needed. Make sure to enter a number that's current and accessible. After inputting your details, you'll proceed by clicking on Go to Step #2. This is where things start to get a bit more financial, but don't worry, it's all secure. You'll need to enter your credit or debit card number here. Now I know what you might be thinking, why do I need to input my card details for a free trial? It's a common practice among online services to prevent misuse of their trial offers and to facilitate a smooth transition to paid service if you decide to continue after the trial period. Upon entering your card details, take a moment to review everything you've entered so far. Accuracy is key. Now look for the checkbox usually situated near the end of the form. This is where you agree to GoHighLevel's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to click on these links and give the terms a read through. Understanding what you're signing up for is vital in the digital world. Finally, and this feels like the moment we've all been waiting for, click on Start your 14-day free trial. With that click, you've officially set the wheels in motion to explore everything GoHighLevel has to offer.